Hello everyone, let's do a little bit of a studio update in its current form. The bed is gone. That's probably the first biggest change. Last week I took that out with my brother. I was going to make a video on that specifically, but it turned into more me helping him build out his desk in his room, so it didn't exactly fit for my studio transformation. But then following that, the next thing that I wasn't able to record, but my dad did, because he's just that awesome, is he put together the whole closet over here. So with the bed being gone, then we had space to move the dressers and things into that closet. We did remove that lower rack of clothes, and he painted the whole inside of it, which was super nice of him to do that while I was out in Atlanta for the weekend. Did I mention I was out in Atlanta at any point? That was an amazing weekend there for Twit IRL with a whole bunch of other awesome people. If you want to check it out, it's on Twitter. That would be the best place to put it up. I'll throw their information here as well as in the description. But anyways, what today is about is I'm going to paint the rest of the room today with my dad, which is exciting. So what I gotta do is move all of the things out of the room. Maybe we'll keep the bed here, maybe the desk, but the things in the corner, that stuff, the things on the wall, all coming down, and we're painting the walls. Let's get it. Well, there you have it, folks. The room looks completely different with everything moved out. I would say it looks bigger, but now after putting everything in the middle, it doesn't quite look bigger, but I really wanted to get all the things off the wall so that A, we can paint it, but then B, it will give me more of an idea of what I can put on the wall and how much space I actually have, because the old pictures and paintings reminded me of where stuff was initially. So but now this is just the last thing here. So let me take this guy off. I was thinking this wall could be where I put some of my art. So I could get a whole bunch of small black frames and place those there as like a section to show off my photos. Actually print my work. I don't know, just a thought. All right, let's switch over to the normal camera. What I'm gonna do is wipe down the walls with this bucket of water and prep them so that we can do those few wall repairs where all the nails were for hanging stuff, and then we'll paint the walls. Maybe do a cinematic sequence. And just like that, we're done. The walls do look right now a little bit more on the beige side, and initially we're like, that's not exactly what we want, but we looked up the color temperature of the bulbs and they're way on the low number Kelvin side, so it makes the room look warm. So here, if I grab my newer lights, they're like daylight, they're like 5600 Kelvin. All right, got it here. So right now what we have is the existing bulbs, but if we turn them off real quick and then I turn on this light, we can see you no longer get any sense of it being yellow. So I'm gonna get some 5K bulbs, and then that should make a beautiful difference for this room, show off the true gray and that It will be easy to color grade footage because it won't be confusing to go skin tone versus wall color. So let's throw the room back together. Cue that time lapse. Well, alrighty, there you have it. This is the current setup as it stands. I am about to head out for some dinner. It is Father's Day today, so happy Father's Day, or at this point, happy belated Father's Day to all of your families out there. But this is the current status. I think what I still may do though is shift my bed over. I flipped the mic around for you, Dan Grib. I still may move this bed up to the side here so that I maximize space here, because I still was thinking about putting a futon there. And I'll play around with the placement of this. This table I got from a client a while ago, and I enjoy the space that it offers, so we'll play around with different things. And then I think the final update would be that I may print out my Chicago skyline photo and put that on the wall up there. And then on this wall, I may put some of my photos in like a collage up along there. But yeah, that's a plan. Hope you guys have enjoyed this update. Quite a lot of progress on this room so far, and I'm excited to put some more details and polish it and make it turn out the best it possibly can. Make sure you guys like the video if you enjoyed it. Comment down below what you think, whether you love it or you think something is whack. Like, feel free to tell me. I'm looking to make the best space possible. I think that'll do it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Peace.